Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. Today we will going to learn about the most impressive automation tool, Cypress. So what is Cypress and the future of automation? As you know, there are so many tools available in the market like Selenium, Protractor. So why Cypress come in the picture nowadays? Okay, we need to understand those things. So what is a Cypress? Cypress you can say is a next generation front-end automation testing tool which is commonly used for end-to-end testing and for the modern based application. Okay, so there are some pain point in our existing automation tool like synchronization issue. Tests will fail due to the unavailability of web element. Cypress came up with architecture to pinpoint all these issues. So how Cypress is the unique from the another automation tool? Cypress automatically waits for commands and assertions before moving on, so there would be no more asynchronized hell. That means, let me say an example. Okay, so I will be going to open the browser for you. Okay, so let's go to the Cypress official website, cypress.io. Okay, let's say I do have link blog. Okay, so if I want to click on blog link, how does it work? If you tries to click, but if link got disabled after few seconds or after 2 days, and again it enabled, okay, after it again enable on a third day. Then the test case failed saying link is disabled, but in Cypress we can check out the status of that link. When it understand when it is in a disabled mode or when it would be a enabled mode, it is keeping the log of every mode, every state. In Selenium, we do not have such a feature, right? So this is the beauty of Cypress. So Cypress automatically wait for command and assertion before moving on, right? So second point, if or let me explain you, if the element is hidden, let's say for example I'm visiting makemytrip.com. Okay, can you see this link login or the create account? Okay, this is overlapping, this pop-up is overlapping on this link. Okay, the train, buses, cabs, this tab. Okay, so if I want to click any of this tab, okay, so if the element is hidden and you want to click on any tab, okay, the pop-up is overlapping on that tab. Using Selenium, you cannot check the tabs or you cannot click the tabs when pop-up is being open. But in Cypress, it will be forcefully close. First, it will be close this list pop-up and allows us to click on any another tab. Okay, we will going to learn later on. Okay, as soon as we move forward. The third step is Cypress takes a snapshot as your test run. We can hover or over each command in a command log to see exactly what happened at each step. That means Cypress is keeping a screenshot while doing your test execution, right? So that's what Cypress deliver fast, consistent and a reliable test execution compared to the another automation tool. It also provide the view videos of your entire test execution when you actually run the Cypress from your Cypress dashboard. Okay, this feature is not available inside my Selenium automation tool. Also, the Cypress bundle with lots of jQuery. Cypress built on a node.js and it comes packaged as an npm mod. As it is built on node.js, it uses a JavaScript for writing tests, but 90% of coding can be done using Cypress inbuilt command, which are very easy to understand. It bundles with lots of jQuery and inherit the many of the jQuery methods for UI component identification. Cypress architecture is designed so well, so Cypress engine directly operate inside the browser. Okay. In another word, it is a browser that is executing your test code. This enables Cypress to listen and modify the browser behavior at the runtime by manipulating DOM and altering the network request response on the fly. Cypress opened the door to a new kind of testing with having ultimate control over your application. Browser support. Cypress is giving a strong browser support to the Chrome, Electron, Firefox beta version and IE. H. Cypress component. There are two components in a Cypress. One is test runner and another one is dashboard service. By the end of this course, you should be able to automate any web-based application using the Cypress automation tool. You will be understand how the Cypress is unique to build non-flaky, stable automation tests with the help of jQuery. You can mock network request and response with the Cypress. Very important point. You can mock network request and response with the Cypress. Let's suppose I am landing on this Cypress official website and I want to click on this login link. Okay, you can see as soon as I click on the login, I am landing on the login page of Cypress showing me the login with the GitHub, login with the Google, login with the SSO and login with the email. Okay, these are nothing but called as my external services. If I click on the GitHub response, okay, if I click on the login with the GitHub, okay, the response will be landing on the GitHub server. Suppose for a moment if GitHub server get down, the developer of the GitHub has written some sort of code so that response page must show the response code 404 page not found. But in real time, how we can test this scenario? We never know when GitHub server will get down, how we can control the GitHub server not responsible. But in Cypress, okay, but in Cypress we do have ability to alter or manage requests and responses. So from your code, instead of getting the real response, you can directly inject mock response, or you can say the fake response on your browser and makes an environment ready so that GitHub is getting failed. So it will have the ability to stop the real response and inject the fake response. You can send the fake response as 404 that will be rendered on your browser, and when your application detect that fake response, we can print those response through Cypress saying GitHub is failed. Okay, so it is providing the interesting feature, okay, for mocking the network request and response. Its ability to design the Cypress framework from the scratch, okay, with all testing standard. We will going to see a Cypress framework and we will going to actually work on the Cypress framework as we move forward. So keep watching my videos for the more update. Cypress is providing also the integrate Cypress test framework to the Jenkins for the CI/CD automation, okay, continuous integration tool. Okay, hope you like my videos. For more video update, you can watch my video, like it, comment it if you have any query, and subscribe for this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.